Have you ever played chess and you feel like you're losing all the time? Man, I'm gonna tell you, it has been horrible lately. Horrible. I almost made it to a 1200. I was pretty pumped, pretty excited about it, and now I think I'm like at 1073. It has been really, really bad, really, really bad. But you know what? You gotta practice. The more you practice, the better you're gonna get at it. The better that you're gonna become, right? And I'm gonna continue. I do this for fun. I think it's a blast. I enjoy it very much. And again, I'm not gonna let it pull me down. I'm gonna continue to play. I'm gonna continue to do my thing. This guy is smart. He's opening the same way that I normally open. So that's pretty good right there. So let's do this. Let's see what's gonna happen today. Let's see if I'm gonna get, I don't know, lucky or something and win. But let's see what's going to happen, right? So we're starting pretty strong already, kind of trying to take that middle center, and he's back there. So, all right, let's start to develop a little bit here. Again, I was almost at a 1200, almost at a 1200, and then out of nowhere, it was like, all right, you're going down to a 1073. 1073. It is what it is. Really, it is what it is. One thing that I'm going to tell you that I've been doing lately is that you see this right here. I've been trading a lot of pieces. Sometimes I do that. And I kind of came to the conclusion that maybe it's not the best thing to do always. Sometimes it's just better to develop your pieces and try to using in the best capacity, I guess, in a way, if you want to call it that. But again, who am I? I've been losing like crazy. I've been losing like crazy lately. I've been getting my butt kicked in all kind of different directions, right? So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. This game seems pretty good game so far. It feels like it's going. It's going. So this guy, guess it's going for my knight right there. All right, let's see what's going to happen. Hmm. Let him take it. Let him take it. Maybe not the best thing because now I got my bishop kind of hanging right there. Yep. Not the best. Not the best. Never claimed to be the best guy. All right, we're going to come down here. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. I got this right here kind of hanging too. Uh, A4. But I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's see. Let me think. Let me think. There's a lot of things going on here. A lot of things going on here. I don't feel like I have something solid yet. I really don't. Come up here. B6 bishop. Try to bring my rook down this way. He finally castle. Okay. Think it's gonna come down this way. I get it. But if it does check, if it comes with the queen down and give me a check, it's nothing much is going on there. So let me take this. Let's see what happened. Yeah. Actually, I could come down here as well. I could bring bishop e2 to f1, maybe, and block that way. Or I could come down. Mm, I don't know. I don't want to stock my bishop there. Let me come up here. Of course. Of course you're coming for me, boy. Of course. Hmm. Check. No. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Man. And that happened. Let's see what happened. And that happens. All right. Not good. Not good. Not good at all. I'll tell you, I've been getting my butt, my butt whooped. My lord. I told you guys, I've been getting destroyed lately. It has not been good for me. It has not been good for me at all. But it is what it is, right? Now from here is going down, guys. From here is just gonna go downhill. Unless he blunders or something, it just which okay. Maybe he did blunder. Oh man, it's getting bad. The biggest thing right here is gonna be this palms right now, tell you the truth. This palms are gonna make it or are just gonna destroy it. One of the two. You see, automatically he's trying to get my palm. Computer lagging a little bit. So he had me going on. He had me going on. So, okay, he has 1, 2, 3, 4 palms. I got 3. It's pretty even game. I got a palm that is a little bit more forward. Obviously, it's blocking discovery check right now. Is blocking a check. So the moment that I move that palm, I'm going to be able to, essentially, I'm going to be able to, what am I trying to say? Give him a check. So let's see. Let's see what happens. He's thinking. He's taking his time. He said he has disconnected from the game. All right, 24 seconds, 23, 22 seconds. Has disconnected from the game. The game will auto reassign in 17 seconds. I may win by okay, I guess. I'll take it. I take it because, like I say, I got my butt almost kicking this one, right? So this guy was doing pretty good. He was doing really, really good, in fact. Oh, there we go. And I won that game. This is what I'm telling you. Don't give up. A lot of times when people lose their queen, people give up. Don't give up. You never know what's going to happen. You never know what's going to, what's going to be the next thing coming up. So you never know. Look at this game. I thought I was going to lose. I lost my queen. He played really, really well. And he took my queen. And I'm like, I'm done. And I continue to play. What happened? He blundered his queen. And then he apparently got disconnected. But obviously, I was going to win that game. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. Where is my slide? And as always, God is in control.